Thank you, Madam Chair. I appreciate being recognized. Just a couple quick comments. It looks like there's a $20 million cap per each year with a total sum of credits equaling $750 million. And that's 30-plus years of tax credits going out to a certain chosen few people. And I agree with my colleague regarding that we kind of pick winners sometimes, and number 6 and on are not so called the winners. We're looking at generating 1,000 jobs when we've lost 100,000 jobs. I think we've got to shoot a lot higher than that, at least shoot at the $100,000 target. If we miss by 50, so be it. But we need to turn this economy around, and investing this amount of money for creating 1,000 jobs, I think, is shooting too low. And I would vote. I will not be in favor of this bill, and hope that we can look to creating an overall economy for all businesses, not just 10 over 2-year period. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Representative.